If you're looking for a reliable and precise replacement part for your Grub trailer, look no further. This axle bearing hub replacement part is exactly what you need to restore your trailer's functionality. With the correct fit, this part ensures seamless compatibility, giving you peace of mind that the job will be done right the first time. The item is manufactured to meet the highest standards and offers perfect dimensions to replace the broken part in your Grub trailer's bearing hub assembly. Even though the original product description didn't provide all the technical details, such as inner and outer diameter measurements, this item fit perfectly, which is exactly what you want for your trailer repairs. Not only does it work perfectly, but the added benefit of receiving 4 spares ensures you are always prepared for future repairs, helping you save money in the long run. After replacing the part, the axles and bearings have been rebuilt and are now working as expected, providing smooth, dependable performance for your trailer. This high-quality part is a cost-effective solution to avoid expensive repairs, and it's built to last. Don't wait until your trailer has a major breakdown. Click the link in the description to purchase this axle bearing hub replacement and get your trailer back in top condition.